YouTube, getting ready to do some plinking with the NOTOS from Umarex before I do a little barbecuing later. So let's go into shooting shed. I have everything kind of ready. So how I have it set up, I'm running the Maple custom mags in there. I have 15 rounds loaded up. First 4 are with the Crosman Ultra Magnums. Then the 5th shot will be the Kvintor flashbang pellet. Then 4 more of the Ultra Magnum, a flashbang, 4 more of the Ultra Magnums, and then a flashbang. So we have the green dot on. This Vortex red dot, green dot with the 3x magnifier seems to be working fairly well. So we'll see what happens. Let's set up the camera. Zoom in. Now we have a frying pan on the top right over there. And then on the left, we have the squirrel. So if I zoom in any further, I'll have to mess with it. So let's go. We'll go with the bullseye first, then we'll go with the frying pan. Let's close the door to the shooting shed to muffle the sound. All right. Ready to go. Let's load one up. Take the safety off. See how we're zeroed in. Right below the bullseye, kind of right in it. Let's take the pair. Finally got that sucker down. Shot number 3. Go for the lemon. The other lemon. All right, here comes shot number 5, flashbang. Let's go right on the bullseye on the frying pan. No flashbang out of that. There we go. Go for the tomato. It's gone. All right, let's turn our attention to the brick and the squirrel target. All right, let's go for the squirrel. Bottom yellow. We'll stay on the squirrel for the flashbang. Five more shots. Dead bullseye. Go for the little. Let's go for the. Go for the apple and the orange. Ricochet made it back in here. I have my safety gear on. Let's go to the frying pan. That was it. No more flashbangs. Go, Johnny, go. Johnny BB, good. Put the rifle back down. Without knocking it over. There it is. That was pretty fun, man. Hope the neighbors don't call the cops. Almost sounds like a 22.